Hey everybody, Happy New Year, and I'm bringing you guys what's pretty much the first unboxing video of this year for us, and a huge shout out to Pranav from Bombay Motorsports for this awesome package. And now, without any further ado, I want to get into this because I know one of the things that's inside here, but I'm not sure about the other. So, let's get this thing started. As usual, when we do an unboxing video, we need to bring out the trusty knife. So let's get into it. Alright. As usual, Pranav has securely packaged this thing. Too bad. Alright. Here we go. Now, like I said, I know there's tires in here, and there is, and of course, oh yes, yeah. Now, I needed a stator and a rectifier for my track bike, and here it is. I can get back on the track hopefully on the 22nd of January. There's a track day, and I'm gonna try and make it. So. One. And the new shoes, guys. This is the Roadsmart 4. Now, my Z900 runs the Roadsmart 3s, and they are one of the best road tires I've ever used. They're currently sitting on about 26,000 or 27,000 kilometers, and they're still good. The only problem is it tends to have these minute cracks in it because of the heat here in Dubai. So I'm switching to the Roadsmart 4, and very soon I will let you know what I think of it. So yeah, here we go. 2 awesome tires, Roadsmart 4s. Well, that's the end for this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.